Hello friends, I am Prakash Reddy. Today we are discussing the recent technique, that is the pulsed electrical field food preservation technique, which is the non-thermal preservation method. The basic learning objectives. First, what is meant by pulsed electrical field, its definition, its principle, advantages, limitations and application in the food processing. What is the pulsed electrical field preservation technique? That means apply the high or low voltage electrical field pulses to the liquid foods. That means applying the electrical field may be high or may be low depending on the specific application. Apply the pulses to the liquid food for the preservation action which is carried out under the non-thermal preservation technique. That means during the applying of electrical pulses, the temperature does not increases and the preservation action is carried out. The pulses mostly, this technique is used for plant, animal, microbial cells for the cells disintegrations and the microbial inactivation purpose. The pulsed electrical field technology applying the microseconds high voltage pulses in order to 100 to 60 kilowatt for only microseconds, that means lower than the seconds. The high voltage pulsed application to the plant, animals and microbial cells resulting produce pores in a cell membrane. That means this is the microbial cells, and after applying the pulses of the electrical field when we pass, resulting formation of the pores on that cells, and whatever the internal substances, that is the intracellular substances, they are leakage from the cells and resulting the growth and reproduction of these cells are stopped. That means what is the basic principle of pulsed electrical field preservation technique? The basic principle involving two principles. The first principle, that is the electroporations. In the electroporation process, formation of the pores in a cell membrane. That means this is the cell membrane before applying the pulse. Then when we apply the pulsed electrical field for a microseconds to the cell membrane, resulting formation of the pores in these cells and resulting whatever the intracellular substances, these substances are lost or drained from the cells and resulting the growth and the reproduction of these microbial cells are stopped. Depending on the specific apply of high voltage or low voltage pulsed electrical field. In this picture you can see, if we apply the low voltage pulsed electrical field on the microbial cells, resulting formation of the pores and some of the intracellular substances are lost, but after that these cells are again reversible, completely closed, but due to the losses of intracellular substances, these cells growth and reproduction is stopped. But when we apply the high voltage pulsed electrical field on that cell membrane, resulting formation of the pores and losses of the intracellular substances or the diffusion occur, and these cells are does not again reversibly join. That is the irreversible process. That is the complete destruction or rupture of that antimicrobial cells. Then second one is the basic principle, that is the formation of the free radical particles, that is the electrolysis product. When we apply the pulsed electrical field in this liquid food processing, resulting formation of the number of free radicals. These free radicals, which are again react, or these free radicals act as a antimicrobial agents. These are the two basic principle of the pulsed electrical field. First one is the electroporation, that is the formation of the porous to the cell membrane, and second one is the electrolysis product, that is the formation of the free radicals. These free radicals, which are the act as antimicrobial agents. Advantage and the disadvantage of pulsed electrical field technology. First, that is the advantage, that is the pulsed electrical field is a non-thermal food preservation technique, resulting whatever the natural nutritive value and the color and flavor of that food products retain during the processing. During the processing, there is no any addition of the chemical preservatives and no evidence of the any toxicity. The processing time is very short and very effective. In this preservation technique, we can apply the pulsed electrical field to easily inactivate the pathogenic microbials. Some of the limitations with respect to the initial investment cost is very high, then difficult to use with the conductive materials, suitable for the only liquid foods, and it is slightly more effective with the combination of heat, and during the processing it is maybe possible to formation of the scale up inside the processing pipeline. How to apply the pulsed electrical field during the food processing? In this method, including two methods. First one is by using the chamber method, that is the batch process, in which the batch whatever the liquid foods they apply the pulsed electric field, and in continuous production process, you can see in this picture continuous production process by using this is the pipeline in which the liquid fluid is flowing through this pipe, and this section, it is the pulsed electrical field section in which the two electrodes plus and minus electrodes which are fitted to apply the generate the pulses of the high voltage electrical field. It automatically controlling devices are fitted. The liquid food, when passed through this section, the pasteurization process is carried out. Application of pulsed electrical field in the food processing and preservation technique. You can see in this picture the basic application including direct and indirect system depending on specific our processing requirement. It helpful for the osmotic processing technique, helpful for the freezing processing technique, also helpful for the extraction process, then diffusion process to remove the internal moisture content of that cell. It also help for the drying, centrifugation and the pressing process. The basic application, that is the first one is the liquid food used for the inactivation of the pathogenic by pasteurization process. Then second one is the extraction of the component from the cell, that is the extraction of the juice, sugar, color agents and other active substances. First, they are pulsed electrical field treatment carried out, and after that these substances are removed by the application of the pressing or related methods. That means whatever the intracellular substances, these are easily removed from the cells due to the breakage of that cells. And third one is the group, that is the diffusion process. in which, like the water removing from the plant or animal tissue, or the absorption of the marinades, spices, and the luxury substances are accelerated. That means, due to the removing of internal some of the substances, increasing the rate of processing, like the drying process, then centrifugation, and the pressing process for a specific applications. These are the number of application of the pulsed electrical field. That means it is suitable for preservation process and also for the processing process. These are the references used for the PowerPoint presentation. In this video discussion, we discuss the what is meant by pulsed electrical field, its basic principle, advantages, limitations, and application in the food processing technology. Thank you very much.